It's just a drill, but many Peruvians are taking disaster readiness very seriously. These coastal areas in the north of the country were put through their paces. The last El Nino event in 1997 and 1998 destroyed homes, roads and crops.
When El Nino comes, we should be prepared. We have taken the actions that we need to. Sure, the forces of nature are of a greater magnitude to what we can do, but this doesn't mean that we can't take precautions.
El Nino is marked by a warming of sea surface temperatures across the Pacific Ocean. For Peru, it means floods and torrential rains on its arid coast. And experts say this one could be particularly intense.
At this time, for Peru's coast, there is a 55% probability that it will happen rather than not happen. And it is absolutely certain that El Nino would develop in intensity by the summer of this year.
Here in Peru, summer starts in December, which is also fishing season. Concerns that the warm waters will drive away anchovy stocks prompted Peru's fisheries minister to take action.
We can start the second fishing season earlier. Normally it begins at the end of November, but our objective would be to start in October, so we can easily try to get the best catch before El Nino arrives.
Anchovy-based fish meal is one of the country's main exports, and Peru's usual production of around 30% of global supply is expected to be heavily clipped. The impending El Nino will likely have a knock-on effect for Peru's wider economy, which has already been taking blows as demand for its mineral exports falls away. Experts say the last major El Nino clipped Peru's economic growth by more than 4%. While Peru has set up a $1 billion contingency fund for El Nino, its economy may not yet be prepared for the heavy weather that lies ahead. Dan Collyns, CCTV, Lima.